You ready?
I think so.
Cody, this is Mr. and Mrs. Hobson.
Hi there.
Good morning.
He likes butterflies.
I love this room.
I think you'll make wonderful foster parents.
Who's that?
That's our son, Sean.
Where is he?
He's in heaven. Try and get some sleep, Cody.
Good night. The hell?
Sean? It was real. You saw him.
Let's welcome Cody. Why do you have these pills, Cody?
I don't like to sleep. My dreams.
What happens when you dream?
Something's not right. I have to find out more about Cody's dreams. You've heard this before. Your son doesn't want to sleep.
That little boy's dreams come true. It's an amazing, beautiful thing. But his nightmares, they're
Dangerous.
deadly.
You have to ask your son a few questions.
We can't let him sleep.
We promised to take care of that child.
Cody?